Hello everyone, and this is Justin, and today I'm gonna show you a quick video on how to Mathematica. And for the recording section I use something called Xbox thing, and this thing only allow you to record when you open this basic math assistant. And we find right here, I don't know the reason why it is. It's a gaming feature, but hey, game can also use for education as well. So today, the first thing I'm going to tell you is that how you open the basic math assistant. So you see you have palettes right here, right? And then you can see you click on basic math assistant, and then we open this. Okay, so today our first lesson is that I'm gonna learn to integrate. Now, there's a lot of way you can learn to integrate, but the most common way is you do. Let's say you click on advanced. See, there's this sign. The sign right here is for integrate. So I'm gonna click on the sign. It's gonna give me the function. So I will write a random function and write x squared. X, my computer is paralyzed. I want to save my money, so I'm not gonna buy a new one. So let's say your computer completely broke. It's okay. This thing got it. So you click x to the power of 2 dx, which is dx right there. Then you click shift enter. Oh, what happened? It didn't give me shift enter. Okay, let me try to delete this. Yeah, I think it's confused. No, what happened? Come on, what happened? Bro, what happened? Okay, it's weird. Okay, what is going on? Let me test. Okay, something wrong. Something wrong with it. What happened? It should work. Okay, okay, it worked. Okay, it's good. It's working. Okay, let's start over. I'm so sorry for the inconvenience. Okay, so basic introduction to Mathematica. So basic introduction to Mathematica is that you gonna write something down, 1 plus 1, then you shift enter, it's gonna give you output. The input you write, and then you shift enter, it's gonna give you the answer. Or in a computer or in mathematical language is output. Okay, let's say you want to do integration. So you click on the integral sign right there. Okay, this integral sign right there. You see this bunch of them. I want to do definite integral, which is no boundary. So I click on x to the power of 2. Then I use the dx, and then shift enter. Oh, okay, I understand. So x should be in the box. You have to be where it's blue right there. It only bleed red, white, blue. Blue is remoderate. So you click on x, then shift enter. There you go, x3 over 3. And then let's say you want to do an indefinite integral. This here. Click on that, and then you plug in 0. Plug in 1. This is it's gonna be long video x to the power of 3. No, I'm right. X to the power. Where is that? There you are. 3 dx. Okay. Okay, they give you answer. Okay, right. So now we're gonna learn how to plot. Okay. So let's plot a simple function. When you want to plot, you just click on plot, right? Plot right there. Then this is important. The bracket's important. This bracket is the square bracket always. Let's say you want to plot sine x. So sine of x right? And then you're gonna give x the boundary, so it's gonna be from, this is a comma, and then it's gonna be from, it is x, it's gonna be from 0 to, let's say, 12 times, where is my pi? Pi should be around here. Come on, pi is, come on, this is freaking math. Okay, click on basic. Nope. Okay, here you are. I saw pi. Okay, so you click on that, and then you do that, and then you shift enter. Huh, what is that? It's not a machine sign number. Okay, how about that? Oh, yeah, here we are. This is the plot. So you don't need the multiplication right there. So x 0 12. Okay, so now let's do some manipulation. Let's do some manipulation right here. Let's say you want to plot no wait, let's say you want to plot let me see, where's my, okay, bracket sine of a x, okay, and then yeah, let's say you want to plot sine of ax, then you're gonna be and then let me see, sorry, this is my first time, I'm really nervous. If it doesn't mind you guys, I'm really nervous actually. Okay, and then you give x, you do the same thing like that. Hopefully it worked. 12 pi. Alright, like that. Then if you shift enter, it's gonna give you nothing, right? Because it's gonna assume that a only 0, a is 0. So sine 0 is 0, so it's only 0. Okay, in order for this to work, you have to give a range of a. Okay, so now what you're gonna do is you're gonna do something called a manipulate function. So it's manipulate, right? Click on that, right there. That's the first thing you're gonna do. Then you're gonna add something. You're gonna add, let's say you're gonna add a, and then what's your first value of a? Let's give it 3. And then what you call a? You call a variable, right? And then you close it, and then what's the maximum value, the minimum value of a? Let's call it 2. Let's call it 1. Let's call it 1, and the maximum value of a is 4. Okay, now close all of that, because this is the one thing. Okay, let me shift enter. Still not work. What's going on? I think here you have to add 8 times x. Okay, hypothesis. Oh, it still not work. Oh, okay, it worked. See, oh my god, this is so fascinating, right? Okay, where were we? Okay, now I'm gonna try to solve one problem. The problem say that I have to graph a function, which is cx over co. Oh, one last thing. To add spice to this, let's say you want to create the x, right? You copy this, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and then here you're gonna add the axis label, axis label, and then you're gonna be like the left hand side gonna be x, right? This is the x-axis. I don't know if this, the x-axis is gonna be x, and then the y-axis gonna be f of x. Oh, sorry. Okay, shift enter. Okay, here we are right now, where you see they have fx and x. If you do this, yeah, we increase the frequency, and then if you click on the plus here, you can adjust it to whatever value you want. I set it from 1 to 4, so 3.5, have it 2. You have all of this like there, right there. Okay, now let's say we're trying to solve one problem on the own test by Dr. Nicholas Cage. He say that I have a function which is C. I'm gonna grab it. So you do manipulate. Always stop plot. I'm gonna plot what? I'm gonna plot the function. So right here, and then it's e to the power of. I'm not gonna write like that because it's wrong. The only thing I like about Mathematica is gonna give you everything. So a to the a times 1 minus y plus e to the, yeah, I can grab this, but a1 plus y, oh, is y minus 1, right? And here you do e to the power of a plus e to the power of negative a, right? Plot the function, and then this is a function of y, so I said it's from 0 to 1, and then what's the next step? Okay, and then definitely do x label. Okay, so fx label, so you do ax label, so you do y f, okay, y f of y, okay, right. And now I'm gonna manipulate it because the a constant is, the a is fluctuate, so I'm gonna add the manipulate function, right there. Close that. Then do, I'm gonna add the first argument, and then close it. So my first argument is gonna be that a is from the first value of a is, I'm gonna let it equal to 0.1, and then I call it variable, so you can adjust it. And then and then I'm gonna, what's the max, the initial value, the maximum, the minimum value of a is 0.1, maximum 0 is 10. So see what we got. Oh, okay, I missed the bracket. If you have the right sign, means that I missed bracket. So okay, yeah, it's a function f y sum 0 to, yeah. So if you want to see the value of a, you click on the plus, you click on the plus button right here. So you say 0.1 like that, 10, be like that. So okay, let's stop our discussion here and call it a day. And in the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to do multiple plot on one thing. Okay, so I'm do integration and do a quick introduction to MATLAB, sorry, Mathematica, and it's really cool. Okay, that's it.